Hi, I'm John from Bogan Brothers. Today we're going to be reviewing PVC colours. Nerf my gun that shoots really fast. Also got the other stuff. We got some pliers. We got guest star. Trust fires. Now let's start. The Nerf gun. This is awesome. I cut off the big front bazooka thing because it's more useless than Herb and Peanut. And also put 2 Trustfire batteries and 2 AA batteries. And you might think, oh, this isn't good because it's from Australia, and in America we got orange triggers, but shut up! It's a good gun, and this car is just okay. That is it for it, because I am scared. Next up, we got these things called pliers. With pliers, you can grab stuff. Look, no hands! Oh! Fire. Woo! Woo! Okay, that's done with that. Done with this. Oh yeah! PVC cutters. These things work wonders. They cut PVC anytime, any thickness. All you need to do is do that, and then oh! They work fantastically! Next thing, this is the special edition. We got a thing called Trust Fires. They're from Hong Kong, from a Ching Chong Chinaman that took it 3 months to come because he's a rip-off. And they work good. Instead of a normal AA having 1 volt, these have, I can't even have that much numbers to do 3. These have 3 volts. I haven't got enough fingers for that. What else? I don't know how to read. It comes in a case.